morning, all of you. In last lecture, we discussed about the digestive system. Now, in this lecture, we discuss about the excretory system. Yes, excretory system. And in last digestive system, one part is left, that is the difference between small intestine and a large intestine. Small intestine is a long and a narrow coiled tube. Coiled, yes. And it is a shorter and thicker, not a coil, simply only. Yes. Digestion of the food get completed here. A full digestion occur in a small intestine. Yes. Here no digestion takes place in the large intestine. Here the removal of excretion process is there. Here the removal of undigested food is there in the large intestine. Yes. Absorption of the food in small intestine. Absorption of the food in the small intestine. Here the absorption of water. Which one left? The absorption, extra water absorbed in the large intestine. In excretory system, we discussed the part one by one. Yes, this was the renal artery. Yes, and the one is the renal vein. This is the renal artery. This was the renal artery. And this was the renal vein. And this was the kidney too, bean shape. And this was the ureter. And this was the urinary bladder. Yes. And last is the urethra. We discussed this functioning one by one. What is the function of this part, excretory system? Yes, different. What is the function of kidney? What is the function of renal artery? What is the function of the renal vein? And what is the function of the urinary bladder? What is the function of ureter? And what is the function of urethra? Yes. So we have a pair of bean-shaped kidney in the abdomen to help to carry out the excretion. The pair of kidneys is there which helps to in the excretion, which helps to filter the blood, remove the unwanted urea. Actually, urea is formed in the liver, breakdown into of amino acid. When amino acid break, protein break, it converted into urea and it transported by the plasma of the blood to the kidney. And after kidney do their function, yes, to millions of nephron. Nephron is a unit of excretion. Nephron is a part. Millions of nephrons are there which filter the blood in the kidney. In the nephron, one Bowman capsule is there, that is the structure of Bowman capsule, which helps to filter the blood. Yes, nephron is a unit of excretion. It filters the blood and remove the urea in the form of urine. It form the urine. The extra urea removed from the body with the help of in the form of urine. And filtration done with the help of kidney. And millions of nephron. The excretion part is the nephron. Nephron has the Bowman capsule, which has to filter the blood, remove the extra urea. A few of excess salt. Excess salt is there, water, bile pigment also, and passes out along with the urine. Kidney also carry out the osmodulation, which maintain the balance. If you have the more salt, water, bile pigment, that removed through the urine, which has to filter, that is the kidney only. Kidney is the main part of the excretory system. Yes, kidney, one is the up and this is a little bit down. Right side is the up, little bit, that is the down in. Yes, here. Kidney also carry out the osmodulation. Balance, helps to maintain the balance of salt. That is maintained the balance of water, salt in depending upon its requirement. Nephrons are enriched with the blood capillaries. Yes, nephron is made up of blood capillaries. A bundle of blood capillaries which form the Bowman capsule, which helps to filter the blood very easily and remove the extra urea, extra salt from it. Yes, extra salt from it. Blood capillaries. Yes, composition of urine. Urine forms the water, urea, extra salt, extra pigment, breakdown of product of hemoglobin. 90% of urine is a water in nature. Yes. One more thing, the amount of urine produced in the depend upon your physical exercise. If a vigorous exercise, the urine remove more. Yes, environmental condition and sweat. If more sweat is removed, then urine come very less. If you drink more water, then it also produces a lot of urine. Yes. So we discuss these one by one. First of all, through the renal artery. Yes, renal artery do what? Here see. Renal artery bring the blood to the kidney for the filtration. And what is the function of the renal vein? Take the blood away from the kidney after filtration. And when the kidney, the urine form, urine come in the ureter. That is called urinary tubules. Two tubules are tubes. And for two tubes, that is called tubules. Yes, tubules. Then it collect in the urinary bladder, stores in the urine, temporary in the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. About 135 to 150 for the healthy person. Every day the blood filter out. Yes. And here, see there urethra. Ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. And here see 1.5 liter of the urine stores temporarily in the urinary bladder after they coming outside through the urethra. This is the structure and the working of the excretory system. This is a very important part to remove the extra salt, poisonous thing from our body. Without excretion, nothing is happen. Yes. If excretion is not there, then the removal of the extra salt is not possible. This is the excretory part of the system. In the next lecture, we discuss about the how urine is formed in the Bowman capsule. That is the smallest unit of the excretory. That is a nephron. Unit of the excretory system is a nephron. Thank you.